Most people don't lose money because investing is hard. They lose it making 5 simple mistakes, over and over. Let's draw them. Mistake 1. Buying when everything's exciting at the top and panic selling at the bottom. Buy high, sell low, the classic. The fix. Invest the same amount on a schedule, up or down. Boring? Yes, that's dollar cost averaging, and boring is the point. Mistake 2. Trying to time the market. Nobody rings a bell at the bottom, not the experts, not your cousin, nobody. The fix. Time in the market beats timing the market. Missing just the 10 best days can cut returns roughly in half. Mistake 3. Investing with no emergency fund. One surprise bill and you're selling your investments at the worst possible moment. The fix. Build a cash cushion first. 3 to 6 months of expenses. It's the guardrail that lets your investments stay invested. Mistake 4. Chasing hot tips. If a stock is already going to the moon, you're the fuel, not the path. Fix. Own the whole market with a simple index fund. The tortoise strategy. And the tortoise keeps winning. Mistake 5. Waiting for the perfect moment to start. The perfect moment doesn't exist. It never did. The fix. Start tiny, today. A small coin in a small flywheel, spin it long enough and it becomes unstoppable. 5 mistakes, 5 fixes, 1 flywheel. Avoid the mistakes, let momentum do the work. Subscribe for the next one.